Welcome to our overview of the TESOL Advanced Certification course. This comprehensive, self-paced online program equips participants with a fundamental understanding of teaching English to speakers of other languages. The TESOL Advanced Certification is an 80-hour course that delves into the intricacies of TESOL. It emphasizes exploring diverse teaching methodologies and pedagogical approaches tailored to the unique needs of ESL learners. Participants will gain proficiency in constructing lesson plans and have 12 months to complete their studies at their own pace. The total course cost is $295, with a high school diploma and English proficiency as the minimum requirements to join. The curriculum includes modules and activities designed to equip educators with the knowledge and skills necessary for effective English language teaching. Each module features interactive activities to enhance the learning experience. The course is divided into several modules, each focusing on a specific aspect of TESOL. These modules provide approximately 80 hours of comprehensive training, ensuring a balanced and thorough educational experience. Upon completion, participants will demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of advanced TESOL methodologies. They will be able to design and deliver engaging lessons for both young and adult learners using innovative teaching strategies. Participants will also learn to implement effective behavior management techniques and conduct accurate assessments. These skills are crucial for providing constructive feedback that promotes language development and overall growth in learners. The Foundations of TESOL module covers essential terminology, teaching philosophies, and the psychology of language learning. It also explores the relationship between language and society, including cultural and social influences. The Essential Teaching Skills module includes methods and approaches to teaching English, strategies for teaching vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and the 4 language skills. It also covers techniques for teaching listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Advanced topics and applications cover project-based learning, multiple intelligences theory, and strategies for teaching special groups. It also includes behavior management, lesson planning, classroom observation, and teaching with psychological principles. Participants will learn to create effective lesson plans, conduct student assessments, and develop comprehensive syllabi. The course also covers social learning, ethics in TESOL, and the importance of research and thesis writing. Thanks for exploring the TESOL Advanced Certification course. We're excited for you to discover how this comprehensive program can transform your English language teaching career. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your existing skills, our course will equip you with the knowledge and tools to succeed. Ready to take the next step? Enroll today and embark on your TESOL adventure. We can't wait to welcome you to our community of passionate educators.